Guys, today we are going to cook okpa. We are going to cook okpa. Okpa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to African Lioness TV's channel, guys. Let me bring the camera closer. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, African Lioness TV here. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way, the fastest way of making okpa. I'm going to make, see, this is okpa. So I'm going to make this okpa to teach some people how to make okpa very fast. You know, some people don't know how to make okpa, but in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make okpa fast. Okay, so if this kind of video is what you like to watch, sit back and watch till the end. Don't forget to like and share. Put your comment down on the comment section. Okay, so let me bring the camera closer. Bring it closer. So guys, to make okpa, I will only use these 4 ingredients. This one is pepper. This one is pepper. This one is the okpa itself. Then this one is red oil. Oh. This is red oil. And salt. This one is salt. So these are what I will use to make this okpa. These 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red oil. See? Red oil. Manuni. Ose. Okpa powder. And salt. So all can get you she. Cabron ganeti akwanye ju azuni nine. Icho ki iri okpa gi we test share natural. You know? Yeah. Okay, let's go. So now I have to take the amount of pepper that I'm gonna use. That's enough, so I have to put this one back to the freezer. So guys, these are what I'm going to use: pepper, red oil. This one is a nylon that I'm going to use, or I use this plate, anyone you want to use. This one is salt. So now we have to add oil. So let me add oil. Just add just a little oil. You don't need to add much. Just little. It's little oil they use to cook okpa. Just little. So you close the oil back and put it back. So what we do here is to mix the okpa. I will use this thing to mix it and see. It is hand. We use hand to mix it, but I just want to try this and see if it will go a long way to mix.
She walks like a queen through the valley of gold, head held high, fearless and bold. Her roots run deep like the baobab tree.
Let me put some oil more.
She was born to be free.
That oil is very small.
Through the fire, through the rain, she rises again and again. No chain can hold her flame. She's got royalty in her name.
We don't eat too much oil in this house.
Breaking down every locked door. Power in a soul, heart of the sun.
We even want to stop eating oil. There. Complete stop. Once you use this thing, it will help you to mix it well. If you use this, it will mix it well. There will be no bump, there will be no lumps. Yeah, lumps, that's the right one. You know, sometimes this English is not our mother tongue, so you have to taste it for salt too. I need to add a little more salt.
Let the drums beat, let the horns blow. She's the rhythm of the rivers that flow. Every step is a legacy of strength, of grace, of destiny.
I have to check salt again.
She's the storm they can't ignore.
You put salt to your taste, okay? I think this should do it. So either you use nylon to cook. Oh, this thing is not even focusing on what I was doing. Chimo. So you have to mix it this way. You use this to mix it. Add, as I added the warm water, not hot water. Then you mix it this way. You can see I have already added the pepper. So this is the okpa. Now we are going to either use nylon or use this, anyone you like. I'll first use nylon. If it's not enough, then I'll use this, but I will use the plate for the bottom of the pot.
Grace in her blood, she was born to be free. Through the fire, through the rain, she rises again and again. No chain can hold her flame. She's got royalty in her name. African lioness, here.
So for the bottom of the pot, we will use these plates before I now put nylon. done with this one. We use this and foil to cover it. So we use one as cup. Keep stirring. No, but usually settle down. Okpa then too. Oh, capri. Capri. So always turn it. It's like the Okpa is too thick. So you give room, because when it will swell up, so that it will have room to swell up, right? And now mama make she chop herself.
She walks like a queen through the valley of gold, head held high, fearless and bold. Her roots run deep like the baobab tree.
Hey.
Grace in her blood, she was born to be free. Through the fire, through the rain, she rises again and again. No chain can hold her flame. She's got royalty in her name. African lioness, hear her roar.
So next thing is to
Breaking down
bring down. Cover it. Each one have to be covered.
she's the princess, she's the fortress, queen of the land, queen of the sky. She don't bow, she flies high. Beads on her waist, beauty in her fight.
Look at me, this is us. Here this Koga straight line.
Let the drums beat, let the horns blow. She's the rhythm of the rivers that flow. Every step is a legacy of strength, of grace, of destiny.
So you see how I wrap it. You put it. Let's bring the camera closer so that we'll put it inside the pot. So, you see, put it like that. Let me show you. Let's go closer. See, you put it like this. This is how we are going to put all of it until the end. Okay? So why we put hot warm water is so that it will almost start at the boiling point. Otherwise, the okpa will go and settle down. So let's use nylon on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me use this plastic. Hey! Nah. Let me do it small so that it will be done fast. So guys, here I am now putting some of the okpa in a plastic bag, in a nylon, yeah. So I use the other plate, and now I'm using the nylon. So it depends on whatever. Some people use this leaf. You can use the banana leaves, to cook it, or plastic rubber, plastic plate, kind of. Yeah, so this one is nylon that I'm using now to put the okpa before I put it inside the pot. Okay, I've already set the base with the aluminum plate. So it depends on whatever you want to use. You can use leaves, yeah, but I don't have leaves. Otherwise, using leaves is the best, yeah. The best method to cook okpa is to use leaves, but I don't have leaves. I don't have banana leaves or plantain leaves, so now I have to use what I have. So you can use whatever you have, whatever you like, or whatever you have to cook your okpa. So if you put the okpa in the nylon, you have to put it straight to the pot. You don't have to wait, because if you wait, the okpa will settle down, yeah. And when it's done, upper side will be so soft, while the downside will be very thick. So that is why before you put it in the pot, you have to shake it a little bit too before you put it in the pot, so that it will be mixed. It will mix very well, yeah. Very easy to cook okpa. Very, very easy. For whatever reason, I don't know why my mic turned off. Maybe the charger is now low. The battery is low. That's why it turned off on its own. So I have to put a voiceover. Yeah, you have to put it in the nylon, then you put straight to the pot. So next, after you might have put all the okpa. After you have put all the okpa in the pot, you have to allow the okpa to cook. Allow it to cook for about an hour, 20 minutes. Yeah, about an hour, 20 minutes. The okpa should be ready to eat. It depends on the sizes of the okpa that you put. Yeah, depends on how long it's going to cook. If you put it like the one I'm cooking, you allow it to cook like an hour, 20 minutes. But if it's small lump that you put, you can allow it to cook like 1 hour and it should be done. Okay, yeah. It's easy to cook okpa, very easy. You can see my okpa is done. Hey, it's ready to eat. Yummy, so delicious, so nutritious. Hey, okpa ntacha. Thank you all for watching up till now. Please don't forget to like and share the video, make it go viral. This is African Lioness TV. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. See you soon.
Beads on her waist, beauty in her fight, wisdom in her words, eyes full of light, carving her path in a world that's blind. She's the thunder you'll never confine. Let the drums beat, let the horns blow.